That's looking badass from the back. Of course, gas tank is not on. All the rear fender is not on because it was all taken out and repainted. But the chrome looks good. I totally reworked the this shock extension, and any of you that are running a curved pipe, you should get one of these. They're about 20 bucks. Anyone that's running a pipe that has this curved back and can hit on the bottom here, which it does. Now back to the tip of the day. If you are running a different kind of head, it could be air cooled, water cooled, whatever difference it is, don't just be assured that your spark plug is going to fit it. There are two kinds of spark plugs. Like my wife says, there's a short one and there's normal size. Now, if you put a short one in a long stroke head, this will fire way up into the chamber and it won't spread out. If you get it, if this is too long, then what happens is this will it will stick about a 1/4 inch into the head, and at high speeds you'll have a lot of pitting and other problems because the spark plug is designed to fit directly under the, just barely going into the dome of the firing area. So at the tip of the day, take your spark plug, whatever you have, take your new head, whatever that is, and make sure the spark plug matches it. It either will or it won't. You'll either have a short throw or deep throw. And I spent a lot of time going through a lot of problems because I just put in a spark plug and I didn't realize it. I wasn't even thinking about it. And after I get all this to work, then I'll put in my Boyce & Reeds and a 33mm Cahen Sudco. And then when I get that all dialed in, I'll see exactly what the stock rotor down here does. And then I'll put in the NYC rotor, which, as I understand it, you got to be real careful with it because it can strip out on the keyway, I think. Now down here I have an extra long, an extra large starter that I would love electric starter for it to work, but I don't think I never could get one to work on a big stroker. You could get one to work on maybe 98 cc's, anything bigger than that, that little motor just won't crank the motor, won't crank the engine. Oh, another thing I'm going to do is I have a pressure gauge for the cylinder, and I'm going to check and see what the cylinder pressure is when I first start, and then kind of keep a record of it. But I think it's coming together real well. It's just that I'm working too much. I'm spending too much time where it's either raining or I can't get to it. And see, it's nice and really nice out here in America. I've lived here all my life. I've lived in this little town all my life. I've been trying to escape, but the damn governor won't give me a pardon or parole, so I can move to Australia. I want to go to Brisbane or the Gold Coast or somewhere cool down there. Australians, that looks like such a cool place, even though they drive on the wrong side of the road. Rock on.